While the Saarc video conference was attended by either the heads of state or the heads of governments or South Asian nations, a notable miss was Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan. Imran Khan was represented by his special advisor on health, Zafar Mirza. Sources within the Indian Ministry of External Affairs have hit out at what they call was a politicization of a regional platform in times of duress. Sources also said that it was petty and churlish of Imran Khan not to attend the video conference, while leaders from all other nations thanked Prime Minister Narendra Modi for getting them together in the Saarc video conference. Pak's representative Zafar Mirza subtly bypassed this. Zafar Mirza didn't even acknowledge the Indian Prime Minister. What also comes as a total surprise was the mention of China. Now, Saarc is a group of the South Asian nations. China is not a South Asian nation, hence not a member. But Pakistan made it a point to praise China for its efforts in tackling coronavirus. Listen in to what Zafar Mirza said.
Learn from and disseminate the experience of Saarc observer states, particularly China, which has effectively addressed the COVID-19 challenge despite being from where it originated.
Zafar Mirza also made it a point to bring up the Kashmir issue and was also factually incorrect to refer to Kashmir as a region which is still under lockdown. The Indian government has in phases eased almost all restrictions which had been placed in Jammu and Kashmir earlier, and most recently eased the curbs on social media and broadband in the region. Only a few local politicians remain under a preventive custody.
That it is a matter of concern that COVID-19 has been reported from Jammu and Kashmir. And in view of the health emergency, it is imperative that all lockdown in the disputed territory must be lifted immediately. Opening up communications and movement would facilitate dissemination of information, allow distribution of medical supplies, and enable containment and relief efforts to proceed unimpeded.
Upon a closer look, we also found that the Pakistani representative was stealthily handed over what appears to be a hastily written script, perhaps meant to rake up the Kashmir issue.